Hi, here at H.Mitchell Car Sales we're very pleased to be able to offer for sale this 2014 Kia Picanto 2 1.2 automatic. This car's finished in Galaxy Black metallic paint. It's got the daytime running lights, body coloured door mirrors with side repeaters, chrome door handles, got the 14-inch alloy wheels, near side front alloy wheel, inside the car you got the charcoal grey cloth upholstery with the patterned centre panels, a light grey stitching, rear passenger area. So at the rear of the car you've got room for 3 passengers. ISOFIX fixing points for the baby seat, electric rear window openings, near side rear alloy wheel. Moving round to the rear of the car now. So inside the rear load area you've got the 60-40 split rear seat, you've got the tethering points for securing loads, onto the driver's side of the car. Driver's side rear alloy wheel. Inside the car on the driver's door you've got the controls for the electric windows all round, electric mirror adjustment, and this car's got the electric folding mirrors. This car's done 43,789 miles. Automatic gear selector, twin cup holders which fold away, and then you've got the USB and auxiliary port, 12-volt plugins for accessories, manual air conditioning, you've got the AM FM radio with CD player, you've got Bluetooth connectivity so as you can play music from an external device, and you've also then got hands-free phone operation, and you've got voice control if your phone's compatible. So moving back outside the car again, moving forward, driver's side front alloy wheel, okay, I hope you find this video informative. Any further questions regarding this car, please contact us by phoning 01924 411 323 or send an email to mail@hmitchellcarsales.co.uk. Thank you for watching. We look forward to your inquiry. Bye.